In this video, I'll share 5 DIY Easter coloring ideas and more. You will join me behind the scenes, starting from scratch to make beautiful photos to use for social media and more. Let's go! Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today, as you know, it's April and I'm planning for Easter shoot. I want you to join me behind the scene, so let's see how it's gonna go. Just to let you know, got this from Dollarama. It's not real eggs and some stuff in mine, and have a lot of acrylic colors, and I got those chocolate. However, I do want to show you all the past years that every year I create something related to Easter. I love this time of the year because I get to create my own stuff. I do have a couple things in mind. I really don't know where I'm starting from. I have those colors, spray colors over here. I do have tons of dried flowers. I'm using this. I might just put it on the egg and paint. However, you'll see everything behind the scene. And yeah, I do have Cinder here, and she wants to say hello. Say hi. Oh, she's so cute. So today, since it's Easter time, I think she's planning on jumping, but I'm just gonna let her go like that. So that's the thing that I have. Let's see what I'm gonna come up with. All right, let's go. Here is behind the scene, and I have tons of ideas. I might as well do a couple things. So I have a different setup. I'm still not sure how I'm gonna get it all together. Just want to show you what's happening over here. I have a setup over here, another one over there.
You know what she said to me? She said, you're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes. I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow.